Well, today I'm going to be replacing this TRD off-road grill with a TRD Pro Grill, and I'm going to just kind of document some of the process here. Already blacked out the rest of the truck, and now the last thing to do is to put the fancy pants grill on there. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and actually let me show you the grill that's going on it. This is the TRD Pro Grill, and the upper. A note about this grill: I got this grill for $175 shipped from a company called Mad Hornets, and I'm not exactly sure if it's OEM or not. I don't know, but the normal price on these things is about $500-600, so it is definitely OEM grade quality though. So it actually came with the separate letters as well, so these actually get installed with just 3M tape, and there's a little guide knockout you can see there on each one to help you guide you along the way there. So I just wanted to show that. Really good deal. Okay, so here we are with the top splash pan pulled off and the factory upper valance, I guess you would say, pulled off. I want to note something here. There's a couple of videos already on YouTube about this whole installation process, but I want to go over something. When you take out the 6 tabs that are down here for the upper valance grill, there's a little spot where the existing Toyota logo is. Be very careful, and I was careful, but there's these 2 little areas where the factory grill pops into here, and these are clips. So you want to get in from the back side and lift up the clip tab and pull straight out, and then it'll come out. And then what we got here going on, I'm going to show this. This is what I'm talking about. Mine, actually one broke here. These little tabs here pop out, and that's what keeps the front of the Toyota badge in the front of the grill. So what you do, this comes out as one piece with the painted valance around it, and there's a bunch of Phillips head screws that come out, which I'll show you here. So there's your painted valance there. Phillips head screws go in. You relocate this little bracket. That's where the little 10mm was. And you go in and you screw it down all the way around, and then it makes for the full grill here. So I'm going to finish screwing this in, and then this goes back in reverse, so I'll show that too. Okay, so this upper piece literally just slips right in. You can see it's still loose here. So there's these tabs. You can't really see, but there's these tabs here, and it just gently kind of slides into place like that. And then you can look up here and make sure that everything's matched up. So my biggest suggestion with all this stuff is it's all plastic breaks, so be careful. Luckily I only broke that one tab down here, so that's how that slides on. And then as for the Pro grill with the emblem, this is going to slip over here like that, and it's got 3M tape. So let me get this thing popped back in, and then I'll slide that on. I'll show you the finished result. Okay, here's the finished product. TRD Pro Grill on a budget. So installation was pretty easy. This front cover, just a note, needs to be put on first before you put on the upper grill. So just note that, because it actually goes in, and then there's like a recessed ridge up here, and then the grill locks that in too. So all in all, very satisfied, and for a quarter of the price of a factory purchase. So if you guys are in the market for TRD Pro Grill, definitely check out Mad Hornets. They have it for like $175, $185, something like that. And shipping was pretty quick, took about 4 days, I'd say. So yeah, just want to show you the finished product, and thanks for watching.